Alright, welcome to video 16. Today we'll talk about buy and sell zones, imbalance, and price gaps. First, understanding buy and sell zones. The buy zone can be called demand zone and support. It means it's an area of assumed buying positions and will likely move the price higher. The sell zone can be called the supply zone and resistance. It means it's an area of assumed sell positions and price will likely move lower. The buy zone can be identified by The buy zone can be identified by sharp rise in price from that area, multiple bounces off that area, bullish candles, and price patterns. The sell zone can be identified by sharp decrease in price, multiple rejections of that area, bearish candles, and price patterns. The buy and sell zones, I would say, are more in depth than support and resistance. Let's say this is a 4-hour chart and it's ranging. Within the range there's going to be areas of value, buy zones and sell zones. The blue area I've identified as a buy zone because price has found support there twice, and I have a sell zone because price has been rejected there twice. If I zoom in on example A and I have an identified buy zone and I see a bullish candle that's 2 confirmations in my favor, I can also see the 4-hour trend is in a very slight uptrend also in my favor, and I can also see if I zoom in on an example A and I have an identified buy zone and I see a bullish candle that's 2 confirmations in my favor, I can see the 4-hour trend is in a very slight uptrend also in my favor, and I can also see 3 higher lows were broken where I'm entering. This is not in my favor. Do I take the trade? It depends on my trading plan. Do I need 3 confirmations to take a trade? Next, we'll talk about imbalance. An imbalance is when excess buy or sell orders create a void in price action that will most often be filled at some point. It is evidence that price may return to this area in the near future. Price gaps are areas on a chart where the price moves sharply up or down, with no trading in between. Usually happens between close and open of trading hours. Imbalance and price gaps are considered a vacuum that provides strong evidence it needs to be filled at some point. On this chart you can see a price gap identified, and imbalance is the box in yellow. Price hasn't come back to fill that imbalance yet. I would consider the price gap an imbalance when trading this chart in the future, whether it be considering it for a price target, for a sell, or stop loss on a buy. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.